short hair. Who is she? This is actually my hair, this is not a wig. I went back to the dark side. We had to dye it like 3 times. And I cut my hair. I freaking love it. What do you guys think? Okay, I know I'm so dramatic when I like share my new hairstyles, but this is a huge deal for me. I haven't had short hair since I was like 13 years old, okay? Y'all know I love my long hair. Like, I love long hair so much. So this was hard, but I freaking love it. I might even go shorter eventually. Like, I'm down to go shorter. And I didn't think I could pull off this cut. My mom said, this is not gonna look good on you. You don't have the face for it. And I was like, Mom, just let me. Honestly, I really like it. What do we think? Please don't be mean in the comments, because I'm living and I'm feeling so much more like myself. Okay, okay. Oh, I love it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, AmandaEnsing, and today I have some really exciting news. Like, super exciting news. Little hair update. I was so over the blonde. I was always wearing my blonde wigs, so I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go back dark. It was so hard to keep my hair healthy while it was blonde, and it was just really hard to maintain because my hair is naturally black. So I had my blonde moment, but I was really wearing wigs so much, and I'll still wear wigs because I love wigs. So I was like, let's go for something different. And I've never had an edgy cut like this. I actually haven't had short hair since I was like 12 or 13 years old. And funny story, my dad cut it in the kitchen because I couldn't wait to pay for a stylist, and he literally took kitchen scissors and cut my hair, and it looked terrible. And ever since then, I said I would never cut my hair again, and I cut my hair, and it feels so good. I'm so happy that I did it. I feel like myself again, back to black hair. Exciting news, I am having the biggest giveaway ever. I've never done anything like this, and I'm so excited for it. I'm also having a meet and greet, so that's what we're gonna cover in this little announcement video. So I have teamed up with Boxycharm, and we are gonna give one of you guys, one of my 18 members, I love you guys so much, we're gonna give one of you guys the influencer experience. So you're gonna get an all expense paid trip to Miami in September, at the end of September, and which is also my birthday month, if you didn't know. So to celebrate my birthday, I wanted to do something with you guys, and Boxycharm had this idea, and I fell in love with it, and I was like, yes, let's do it. I'm literally going on vacation with one of you guys. My mom and I are gonna come, and we're going to celebrate with you. We're going to go on a yacht, we're gonna have brunch, we're gonna have dinner. I'm gonna pick you up from the airport. We're gonna go to Boxycharm headquarters. We're gonna do so many fun things, and I'm also gonna be having a meet and greet, and you're gonna be my VIP guest at my meet and greet. So I'm so excited. I will have all of the rules down in the description bar. The reason it's called the influencer experience is because you see so many influencers and people on social media getting to travel to these beautiful places and do all of these fun things. So we are doing that, but with one of you, and I'm so excited. I'm so lucky to have this life, and it's only because of you guys that I get these opportunities. So I thought this was perfect because now one of you guys can do it with me. Everything on how to enter will be in the description bar, so make sure you check that out after watching this video. There's no purchase necessary. If you're a Boxycharm charmer, if you're already subscribed to Boxycharm, you're automatically entered, but I'll have all of the specific rules down below. The giveaway will run from now until September 3rd. I will announce the winner on September 3rd. I'm gonna do Instagram live and call you and announce the winner that way. I'm so excited. I cannot freaking wait to do it. You do have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel and also to Boxycharm's YouTube channel. So of course, here's mine. I'll have Boxycharm's down below. So make sure you're subscribed to both. Also, make sure you sign up for Boxycharm's newsletter. There are a bunch of things that are gonna be in that newsletter regarding this whole experience, also for my meet and greet, which I'm about to get into. So make sure that you subscribe to their newsletter. It'll make your life so much easier if you're wanting to enter the giveaway or come to my meet and greet. So for the meet and greet, I've been wanting to do a meet and greet in Miami for so long. I have so many of you guys there, and when I was there for the first time, what was it, like a month or 2 ago, I fell in love with Miami. I was like, I have to come back. So ever since I visited Miami last time, I was planning this meet and greet. So I am so pumped. I cannot wait. The meet and greet will be on September 30th. We don't have a time and we don't have a venue yet, so make sure you block off that day. Make sure you sign up for the Boxycharm newsletter. You don't have to pay anything. There's no purchase for it. It's literally just an email newsletter, and you'll get all of the details as we plan and as we finalize. It'll also tell you how to sign up for the meet and greet. We're only allowing 200 people to come to the meet and greet. I wish I could do so much more, but in the past, my experience is 200 is a really good number because I want to have intimate time with each of you. I don't want to be like, hey, take a picture and bounce. I want to be able to talk to you guys, So I'll be there a couple of hours, and maybe I'll even meet some more of you guys that come, but there's gonna be 200 people guaranteed that we can like chat, take pictures, hang out, you know, all of the good stuff. It is about to be Virgo season, if it's not already Virgo season, but I'm a Virgo. My birthday is September 4th. Hey! So I'm excited to be doing this for my birthday. I'll also have a very special surprise guest at my meet and greet. I'm not gonna say who it is yet, but there will be a surprise guest, a very special guest at my meet and greet that I'm like so excited that she's gonna be there. My mom will also be there. She loves meet and greets. It's literally her favorite thing to do with me, and I saw her earlier this year when she visited me in LA, but I wasn't able to go home this summer, so I was like, Mom, do you wanna come with me? So she's gonna be there with me, so you'll also get to say hey to her. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are excited. I just wanna come on here and announce this really quick. I did film this makeup look, so this makeup look will be up next week. And I think that's everything. I love you guys so much. I hope you're hype. I hope you're pumped up. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.